Make a change by helping your car's engine perform efficiently with the new air filter from Filterheads.com.
To access the air filter, first open the hood. The air filter is located here. Remove the fasteners. Remove the old filter and clean out the excess debris in the housing. Install your new AF3984 filter into the housing. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits. Reinstall the housing by sliding the securing tabs in. Re-engage the fasteners. Close the hood. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.